Hi everyone and welcome to CAD Center training videos. For the benefit of students, we have started online training session on AutoCAD. Those who cannot attend the offline class can take advantage of these videos. After learning, you will be able to draw any industrial drawing. In this video, you will learn to draw circles and arcs. Okay. Now here there is a draw palette. In that you will get options for drawing circles. If you click on the drop down option, there are different options for drawing circles. If you go with the command prompt, you have to type shortcut key C. Okay. Then here also you will get the different options for drawing the circle. Now what it is saying? It is saying specify center for circle or 3 point, 2 point or tan radius options. Now if you want to go with these different options, you can click on those options. Now I want to specify the center for circle. For that you can directly click on the screen or the location where you want to draw the circle, or else you can give the coordinate where you want to draw the circle. Okay, let's say I am giving the coordinate 10, 10 for x and y. You can see this is the center for the circle. Now it is asking for the radius of circle. Okay, now I will type the value for the radius of circle. Let's say 20 I am typing. Okay, and hit enter. So this is the circle of radius 20. Now if you want to check, you can click on the drop down option for the dimension. So here is the option for radius. Click on the circle and you can see the radius is 20. Okay, so this is the default option for drawing the circle. That is, you have to specify the center for the circle and the radius. You can draw the circle by different options. Whatever the requirement is there, according to that, you can draw the circle. Now I am deleting this. Okay. Now we can draw the circle with other options. See, enter. Now I am clicking here for the center of circle. After clicking, you can specify the radius of circle, or if you want to give the diameter, if you have diameter option, then click on the diameter option and you can specify the diameter. So now I have typed 40 here. So this is the circle of radius 20 and diameter 40. So this is another option for drawing the circle. Now other options, for other options, let's say I have some point. Okay, let's say I have 2 points here. Now let me change the point style for the points. Now let me say choose this option. Okay, now using these 2 points I can draw the circle. See, enter. I will click for the 2 point option. Okay, now it is saying that specify first end point of circle's diameter. So I will click on the first point and say this is the second point. So this way you can draw with the 2 point options. Okay, or else suppose if I want to draw a circle here, say see, enter, 2 point option. I am clicking at the quadrant point of this circle and I am specifying the diameter. Okay, let's say I want to give 10 diameter. So this is the first point and the diameter I have given 10. So this way also we can draw the circle. Now suppose if I have 3 points, okay, let's say first point is here, second point is here and third point is here. So using these 3 points we can draw the circle. See, enter 3-point option. It is saying specify first point on circle. This is the first point, this is the second point and this is the third point. So this way we can draw the circle with 3-point options. Now there is one more option, tan radius. If you have 2 tangents, then using those 2 tangents and radius we can draw the circle. Let's click on this option, tan radius. Specify point on object for first tangent of circle. Let's say this is the first tangent. You can see there is a green colored circle with a tangent. That is the tangent snap point option. This is the first tangent and this is the second tangent. Now it is asking for the radius of circle. If I type 10, let's take bigger value. Let's say 30 I am taking. So with 30 radius, the circle is drawn with these 2 tangents. This circle is tangential to these 2 circles. Another way, suppose I have these 2 different objects. With these 2 tangents, I want to draw a circle. Let's take circle command, tangent option, tan radius. This is the first tangent, this is the second tangent. And let's say I am giving the radius 40. So this way we can draw the circle with tangent option. Now suppose if I want to draw the circle which is tangential to these 3 objects. For that, you will not, for drawing that circle, you will not get option for tan and tan option. So that option you will get in the drop down option for circle. This is the last option, that is tan. Using that we can draw the circle which is tangential to 3 objects. This is first tangent, this is second tangent and this is third tangent. So this way you can draw the circle with 3 tangents. So in this case you will not need the radius or diameter. Okay. Now I will delete these circles. Now let's learn how to draw the arc. Arc is some part of circle. Okay. Now let's say I have drawn one circle here and with the 2-point option I have drawn another circle which is tangential to this one. Okay. I am making some arrangement for drawing arc. Okay. Okay. Now let's learn how to draw an arc for this circle, around this circle. Okay. See, there are so many options for drawing arc. Okay. Now using arc command also we can draw. For arc command you have a shortcut key A. Now here it is asking for the start point of arc or center. Let's give start point. Let's say this is the start point for the arc. Next, we will give the center. Then, one second, this is the start point. Then I have to specify the center option. Then I will give the center here, and then you can click for the end point. So this way you can draw the arc. Okay. There are many options here for drawing the arc. 3-point. 3-point means directly if you have 3 points, using those 3 points you can draw the arc. Okay. The second option is start, center, end. Let's say this is the start, this is the center, this is the end. So you might have observed that while drawing, it is drawing in anti-clockwise direction. It is taking the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so I hope you have understood this option. Okay, now I'll remove this. We will try another option. Start, center, length. Let's say this is the start, this is the center, and how much length arc you want to draw. Okay, let's say I will take, let's say 100 I will give. So how much arc length you are giving, that much only arc will get drawn. Okay, so if you want to check that chord length, so it is 100. Okay, arc length is different from chord length. So whatever value you are giving here, if it is fitting in that, then only it will get drawn. Okay, now let's go for another option. Start, end, angle. This is start and this is end, and I am giving angle, let's say 180 degree. Then you will get half circle. Okay. Okay. Then for the next option, start, end, direction. Start, end. If you want arc on this side, you can click on this side, or else if you want on this side, you can click here. So in any direction, if you click in that direction, you will get that arc. Now next option is start and radius. This is start, this is end, and how much radius you give, according to that arc will get drawn. Let's say I'm giving 50 here. So it is not fitting in that. So I have to give another value, because the points which I have chosen are not fit for that radius I have given. Okay. Let's say if I give 55, so this get drawn here. 55 radius arc is drawn here. Okay. Then next option is center, start, end. This is center. If I click here start on this side and end point, wherever you click. Okay. So this way. Okay. Next, center, start, angle. Center, start, which angle, up to which angle you want to draw the arc. If I give 90 degree, so it will get drawn up to this point. Okay. Next option is center, start, length. Okay, center, start, and how much length you provide, according to that it will get drawn. Let's say I'll give 85. So this is the chord length. 85 is the chord length. Okay. So let's check. So you can see it is 85. Okay. And the last option is if you want to continue with the arc, you can choose that option. If you want one more arc after that point, you can continue with that option. Okay. I hope you have understood the different ways of drawing circles and arc in this video. I hope they are going to be beneficial for you. Please like and share for this video. Thank you. Okay, after learning circle and arc, we can draw this kind of smiley. Okay, for that what we can do? We can draw a circle like this. Okay, then two more small circles. Okay, and then okay, and then I will draw one arc here. Okay, so this way we can draw the smiley. Filling of colors and all that we can learn later. Okay, so this way we can draw the smiley. I hope you have understood this.